guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys, it's Louise! So today I created this look. This is my soft glam look. And if you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. So I start off by spraying my face with MAC Studio Fix Plus. Then I apply my high adherence silicone primer from The Ordinary. I use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and I mix it with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. I mix these two together so that the finish is not that matte. So I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer in 220 and also the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in Warm Light. Blend it seamlessly together by dabbing it with a beauty blender. It doesn't have to be blended perfectly right away. I applied my contour by using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. Once the contour is applied, now blend the shit out of that. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Nymph Highlighter in Aphrodite as the first layer of my highlighter. Apply it on the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, your nose line, your cupid's bow, or basically your whole face. And for the blush, I love using the Sunnies Face Airblush in Peached. For the bronzer, I use the Tom Ford Glow Bronzer in Soleil. Warm up the face and blend everything together with the bronzer. Keyword is blend. To set some parts of the face like my under eye, I use the Mercier translucent powder. So for now, we're done with the face, and onto the eyes, we're gonna use the Marc Jacobs Fantascene eyeshadow palette. With the shade For More, I'm cutting my crease and then I'm blending it with the shade Covettes, which is a grayish, lighter brown shade. Then I'm applying the shade She Said all over my lids. Using the shade For More, I'm winging out my eyeshadow to create that lifted effect. So I'm applying the second layer of eyeshadow on my lids with a shade called Media. It's a shimmery bronze shade. Next, I'm applying the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl eyeliner in Barbarella Brown on my waterline. Then I apply the same shade for more on my lower lash line. And again, for this one, keyword is blend. Next is my favorite part of every makeup look, which is the eyeliner. For this one, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner. So I start with mapping out my eye, winging it out, and then connecting it. And the keyword for this is precision. For that extra bam that completes the glam, I'm topping it off with the MAC Dazzleshow Liquid Eyeshadow Glitters, I guess, in Blinking Brilliant. And just make sure that you do the most important thing, which is to blend. For my brows, I'm gonna use this brow gel from Immaculate Beauty in the shade Brunette. So as you can tell by now, I like layering my makeup, so I'm going in with the brow definer in the shade Caramel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. To set my brows in place, I'm using the Lion Mane Soap Brows. With the shade She Said, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. I'm layering my highlighter with the Sunnies Face Glow Boss in Mamacita. For my lips, I'm using another Sunnies Face product. It's the Fluff Matte in Milkshake and VK. At this point, my beauty marks are covered, so I'm just dotting them again with my eyeliner. And for my mascara, I'm using the Lancome Grandiose. I wasn't able to show it, but here I'm using the Pinkygoat lashes in Arwa. Then I applied the 3D Hydra Lip Gloss from Kiko Milano in number 3. And to set my makeup, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus in Lavender. And we're done! So this is how I create my signature soft glam look. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!